morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Please stand for our opening prayer. Marvin, please lead the prayer.
Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin us. Don't let us do this, deliver us from evil.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher. We are fine, thank you.
Okay, please be seated. There are who is absent this morning, class?
None, teacher.
Okay, very good. So, do you have any assignment class meeting?
None, teacher.
Okay, none. I have her classroom standard that we need to attend during our class discussion. Everyone, please read.
Listen carefully. Engage
respectfully.
Always
Follow instruction. Raise your hand if you want to answer. Nature positive and active.
Okay, am I understood, class?
Yes, teacher.
So, class, did you brush your teeth every day?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, how many times a day?
3 times a day,
Okay,
teacher.
Marvin.
I brush my teeth 3 times a day, teacher.
Okay, give her 3 claps. How about your eyes, class? Are you taking good care for your eyes, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So that's all. So now we will discuss taking care of our eyes and mouth. So, but before we proceed, please please know the objectives in this morning. Okay, class, please read.
Given the materials and activities, the pupils can do the following with at least 75% level of accuracy. Describe ways of caring for the eyes and mouth. Identify the proper ways of caring eyes and mouth. Value the importance of health habits and hygiene for the sense organs.
Okay, to obtain this objective, I want everyone to cooperate and participate. Am I understood, class?
Yes, teacher.
So, who among you have experience to say class?
Sir,
Dillard?
I experienced that with teacher because I do not brush my teeth, teacher.
Okay, very good. So, what do you think is the cause of toothache? Marvin?
By eating some sweet foods, teacher.
Okay, that's great. So, yes, by eating sweet but not cleaning the teeth, so cause of toothaches. So, who among you have experienced sore eyes? Marvin?
Teacher, I experience our eyes.
Okay. That because of infection, remember to take care your eyes. Am I understood, class?
Yes, teacher.
Did you know how to take good care to your eyes and mouth, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So now let's discuss the type of eye complication. First is read.
Style is an affected eyelash.
Follicle.
So, what is the cause of style? Marvin?
Style is a painful red bump on the eyelid that occurs when a tiny oil gland at the base of an eyelash or follicle becomes Clog.
Okay, very good. So, it is infected with bacteria.
Yeah.
Usually due to dirt or diverse buildup. The second is Gillard, please read.
Eye strain. Eye strain happen when your eyes get tired.
Okay. What is the sign of sore eyes? Eye strain, rather. Marvin?
The
What is the sign of eye strain?
the sign of eye strain is by itching, twitching, dimming, and blurring.
Okay, very good. And the third is the sore eyes. Everyone, please read.
Sore eyes. Sore eyes are usually caused by virus or bacteria.
Okay. What is the cause of sore eyes? Class.
Sure.
Okay, Gillard.
Sore eyes, they make your eyes itchy and the white areas becomes reddish.
Okay. Did you experience this the sore eyes class?
Not teacher.
So if not, that's good to you. So now, what are the complications of the eyes? Let's proceed on how to care our eyes. So everyone, please read.
Avoid sharp object like pencil and ball pens near to your eyes to avoid getting
pricked by them.
Okay. It's that clear class.
Yes, teacher.
So always wash your hand and keep them clean in case you might accidentally touch or rub your eyes with your hand. So so can you give example of fruits and vegetable with vitamin A plus?
Yes, teacher.
Uh, okay, so those are example of vitamin A. So do you like squash class or carrots?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so it is good for your eyes because there are vitamins A. So let's proceed to the mouth. I am going to teach you how to take care for your mouth and teeth. So everyone, please read.
Do not bite your nails. Your nails might have a bacteria or virus which you don't see.
So are you agree on that class?
Yes, teacher.
So you should not bite your nails because they can carry bacteria and viruses that can make sick. Okay, and Sika, please read.
Eat healthy foods, especially those that are rich in calcium.
Okay, please give me an example of healthy food.
Teacher.
Okay, Marvin.
Milk, cheese, and dark cream, leafy vegetables, teacher.
Okay, very good. So, are you eating this kind of food class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay,
I'm
very
eating
good.
milk.
So, the third class, please read.
Visit the dentist regularly at least twice a year.
Okay, did you go to your dentist class?
Yes, teacher.
That's great. So, you must visit your dentist that you will know if your teeth is healthy or not. Am I clear class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, fourth. The last, please read.
Brush your teeth at least twice a day. Always brush your teeth before you sleep.
So, who among you heard does not brushing their teeth class? Marvin? Who among you heard does not brushing their teeth?
No, teacher, because I'm brushing my teeth 3 times a day, teacher.
Okay, very good. So, always brush your teeth at least 3 times a day to prevent cavity in the Is that clear? Am I clear, class?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. Did you understand our lesson this morning, class?
Yes, teacher.
So have you gained knowledge to care our mouth and eyes, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so do you think it is important to take good care our mouth and eyes, class?
Yes, teacher.
So very good. By doing these simple things, so we can take care of our sense organs and have lot of fun exploring the world around us. So who can give me example of ways in taking care of mouth?
Sure.
Okay. Third.
Brush. Brush your teacher. Teacher.
Okay, very good. Give her 5 clap. So, how many times do we need to brush our teeth? Okay,
teacher.
okay, that's great. What about your eyes? How to take care of our eyes? Okay, Marvin.
Don't do a sharp objects like pencil or ballpoint teacher to take good care of our eyes.
Okay, very good. So, why we need to eat healthy food?
Sure.
Okay, Dillard.
We need to eat healthy food to reach vitamin E and C.
Okay, that's great. So now let's have a group activity. Are you excited, class?
Yes, teacher.
So I will group you into 2 groups, the same groups. So all you need to do is to create a poster that you how to care your eyes and mouth. Okay, am I understood, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I will give you 5 minutes. So are you done, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So I will give you a perfect score because you do your best. So do you have any question or clarification, class?
None, teacher.
So if none, I have an assignment. So everyone, please read.
Advanced study on how to take good care for your skin, nose, and ears.
Okay, that's all of this morning, class. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher. Thank you for teaching us today. God bless us all.
Yeah, one more.